Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Betha. So in this video we are going to do a facial scrub using sugar. So first you're going to begin by taking a wet fabric or face towel and applying the water or the moisture on your skin. Grind or crush your sugar to reduce the size of the sugar particles, because if the sugar particles are so big, it's going to crack your skin open. Using a mixture of sugar and water to make a paste, scrub your face using this. This will help remove the dead and dry skin, and it will also help clear and open up your skin pores. Scrub in circular motions. Take your time and ensure you reach on all parts of the skin on your face. After you're through scrubbing, take your wet towel and remove all the scrubber from your face. Take your aloe vera leaf and split it into two to get the aloe vera gel. Apply the aloe vera gel directly on your face. This will help sure your face is well moisturized and therefore it doesn't quickly dry up or hydrate. Let this dry for a few minutes. Using a wet face towel, wipe off the aloe vera gel.